In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Capcut YouTube Shorts. First, let's dive into the Capcut app. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to download it from your respective app store. Once you've got it on your device, open up Capcut and click on New Project. This is the starting point for creating your short. You'll be prompted to import your video clips or images. Take a moment to select those that best capture the essence of your message. Remember, this content should be visually engaging, as it is the foundation of your video. Once your media is uploaded, it's important to adjust the format. Head to the Format section of the app and select 9:16. This vertical orientation is crucial because YouTube Shorts are designed to be viewed on mobile devices. The vertical format ensures your content fits perfectly on the screen and maximizes the viewer's experience. After setting the format, the next key task is to trim your video down to 60 seconds or less. YouTube Shorts have a strict time limit, and keeping your videos concise helps maintain viewer interest. Go through your footage carefully, keep the most impactful parts, and remove any segments that don't contribute to your message. With your video trimmed to the appropriate length, it's time to add some flair. Capcut offers various features to enhance your video, such as text, music, effects, or transitions. Think about what elements could add value or clarity to your message. For example, background music can set the mood, while text overlays can emphasize important points. Explore these tools and use them to make your video more dynamic and engaging, while still keeping it aligned with your overall vision. When you're satisfied with the edits, it's time to export your video. Look for the drop down beside the export button, select 1080p resolution. This ensures your video is of high quality, which is essential for maintaining the professional look of your content. Once you have everything set, go ahead and export your video. Finally, upload your completed video to YouTube. It's crucial to include shorts in the title or description, as this tells YouTube to categorize your content as a short, which can help increase its visibility on the platform. Check over everything to ensure it's all in place. After you've uploaded, take a step back and appreciate your work. Engaging with viewers in the comments or promoting your short through different channels can also help boost its reach. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating YouTube Shorts with Capcut. Remember, practice makes perfect, so the more you experiment with these tools, the more skilled you'll become. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you unleash your creativity in a new and exciting format.